I'm Edwin Mwinga, the Kingfisher. I am a man who is defiant of danger. These are my tools. Whenever I cast my hook in the mighty Zambezi River, I come up with a tiger. That is part of my life. I'm Edwin Mwinga. I was born around the Musanga area here, around 1980. So, I lived here for some few years. Then my father and my mom, they separated. Then we decided to move to Impalila Island, somewhere there, far east. We stayed there for some years. That's where I grew up. And my father was a man who was always interested in fishing. Okay, there we could catch fish in many ways. We used the nets. We could also just try to use hooks. After some years, again, I decided to come back here. Since I said that I was born in Musanga, then I started to stay here. Now, when I came here, I met other guys who were interested in fishing. But now these guys introduced me to other type of fishing which I could not be able to understand. Another guy came to me one day. He said, "No, man, what are you busy doing here?" I said, "I'm doing nothing." The guy said, "No, we can do something." I told him, do something this time. It's already late. It's around 6 o'clock in the night, in the evening. What can we do this time? Then the guy said, "No, we can go and fish." I asked him, "Fish? What kind of fish?" He said, "Just come and follow me. I'll show you what we are going to fish." I was confused. Okay, maybe barbel fish, I know they can be able to be caught in the night. But to my surprise that day, we could catch a different fish in the night. And you know, what kind of a fish is it? It was a tiger fish. We went there with our lines. We could set our poles. We take small sticks. We set them in the ground deep. Then we leave a piece outside. We tie something like a bell there, an alarm that can be able to let us know that now the tiger fish has put the hook. Then we tie the hook there, the line there, we say hook. Then we cast it in the mighty Zambezi River. And I was surprised in the night. I could see the stick going down there, pulled by a gigantic something which I could not be able to know what it was in the night. To my surprise, whenever we knocked and we pulled, there came a big tiger fish. So that's when I started to ask myself, can really a tiger fish be caught in the night? Now, what special effect does tiger fish have so that you can be able to catch it in the night? I sat there. I started to calculate. I started to use my brain. I started to think a lot of things. Now I went back to the name of this fish, tiger fish. Now I took this name, fish, tiger itself. I removed the word the fish there. Then I started to study the characteristic of a tiger itself as an animal. I realized that a tiger, it's an animal, it's a cat. But the good thing about it is that it can hunt both in the night and hunt in daytime. Now I started to go back to the tiger fish itself. I asked myself now, why do they have similar characteristics? And why are the names so similar? I studied the characteristic of a tiger fish. It got jaws, my friend. And in those jaws, I'm sure if you take your hand and put it in there, when it is out of there, I have to tell you that you have to visit the doctor. The other thing about a tiger fish is that since a tiger itself, the animal, it possesses different colors. You can see black in here, these lines. You can see the yellowish lines. You can see that it is white is also here, meaning it possesses the same color as the real animal. You can see even at the fish, its tail fin, the fins here. It's reddish, yellowish, blackish. Then you come to the fish itself. You can see that it possesses all the different colors that you can be able to find on the real animal, the tiger itself. Also a tiger fish, it hunts in the night, it can also hunt in the daytime. That's what I learned. From there, since I love fishing, it became my habit. I used to go to the river there. Sometimes I meet my friend there with my hooks, with my torch, everything that I can use in the night to be able to see clearly, or maybe to be able to detect other intruders nearby, like crocodiles, maybe hippopotamus. And when I catch these tiger fish, I can be able to take them to the market. I can sell them at a good price. Sometimes one tiger fish, if it's too big, I can sell it around $150, close to $200 there. If it's a bit small, around $50, $60, $80, $100 there in a day. If I'm lucky, I can make around $300, $200. I cannot be able to go and steal for somebody. I survive. I live because of that fish. We use the money to support ourselves, to support even our brothers, even to support my wife. So that's why I do always have to do my best to go and fish. That is part of my life.